Music Land!
Little Miss Muffet sat on her mat, eating a healthy snack just like that. With fruits and veggies, so fresh and bright, she smiled and felt oh so right. Eat your greens, she said with glee, carrots, peas, and broccoli, a crunchy apple, a juicy pear, healthy foods beyond compare. Little Miss Muffet knew it well, eating healthy makes you feel swell. So she munches on, feeling strong, with healthy snacks all day long. Your greens, she said with glee, carrots, peas, and broccoli, a crunchy apple, a juicy pear, healthy foods beyond compare. Little Miss Muffet knew it well, eating healthy makes you feel swell. So she munches on, feeling strong, with healthy snacks all day long. Wow! Over the moon, so high and bright, it's time for bed. Good night, the stars are twinkling, the sky is blue. Time to rest, the night's for you. Brush your teeth, then wash your face. Put on pajamas, keep up the pace. Snuggle in bed, pull up the sheet. Now close your eyes, rest your feet. Over the moon, the dreams will come, whispering softly, you're not alone. Sleep so peaceful, calm and deep, as the moon guards you in your sleep. Over the moon, the night will stay, until the dawn brings a brand new day. Rest your mind, rest your soul, tomorrow's adventures make you whole. Over the moon, the dreams will come, whispering softly, you're not alone. Sleep so peaceful, calm and deep, as the moon guards you in your sleep. As the moon guards you in your sleep. Over the moon. Five little stars up in the sky, twinkling brightly as they fly. One made a wish so full of hope, and with a sparkle began to cope. Four little stars shining so bright, each with a wish taking flight. They dreamed of joy, of love and peace, and their dreams would never cease. Stars so full of grace, wishing for kindness all over the place. They twinkled and shimmered high above, spreading warmth, joy and love. Two little stars glowing with light made wishes for hearts that are right. Their dreams of happiness came true, in every heart, in me and you. Shining alone, wish for the world to be fully grown, a wish for peace for all to see, that love and kindness set us free. and every hand will protect this lovely land. Pick up litter, keep it neat, recycle paper, glass and street. London Bridge will shine today, we'll make the world a better way. London Bridge is staying bright, sparkling clean with pure delight. Hand in hand we work as one, to keep our earth safe and have some fun. London Bridge is shining bright, together we'll keep it light. With every toss and every smile, we'll care for Earth and go the extra mile. We'll care for Earth and go the extra mile. We'll care for Earth and go the extra mile. There was a dog named Bingo, a friendly pup, you know, with a wagging tail and joyful bark. He'd brighten days from dawn till dark. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, Bingo was his name, oh. He loved to play, run and chase, a happy dog full of grace. Bingo loved to help his friends, a loyal pup until the end. B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, Bingo was his name, oh. He shared his toys, he shared his ball. Bingo's kindness was for all. With every woof and every cheer, he spread love far and near. Oh, oh, B-I-N-G-O, B-I-N-G-O, Bingo was his name, oh. Mary had a little garden, green and full of life. Everywhere that Mary went, she brought her planting knife. She planted seeds and watered them each and every day. She cared for flowers, fruits and herbs in her own special way. The bees would buzz, the birds would sing, the garden bloomed so bright. Mary's care and gentle touch made everything just right. Mary had a little garden, a peaceful, happy space. It taught her how to love the earth and make the world a better place. Mary had a little garden, a peaceful, happy space. It taught her how to love the earth and make the world a better place.